In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable texts above the QR codes made with the Triggerly app on Monday.com, and how you can customize the text displayed with QR codes to any of the text column. As you can see, this QR code was generated before we had this new functionality. You can get this QR code as an image. This QR code has an item name included. Now, we have an option in Triggerly where you can disable the item name, so it will only show the QR code. To do that, go to the Triggerly board view and then go to Settings. From here, you can enable or disable the functionality. And you can customize the text displayed with QR codes to any of the text column values by choosing them in the dropdown. Now, QR codes will no longer include an item name. And that's it. If you want to remove the item name from an existing QR code, you will have to recreate the item to generate a new QR code. Thank you.